I would cook, I could cook, or I should cook. Alin sa tatlo ang dapat na gamitin? Hi Gratefuls! Welcome back sa Charlene's TV. I am Ma'am Charlene Ko, a licensed professional teacher, and for today, it's gonna be another video about modals. So without further ado, let's start with the word would. First one, we have the word would. It is used to talk about imagined situation. So, ginagamit natin ito para pag-usapan ang mga bagay na hindi naman totoo or imaginary lang. For example, if I were a lawyer, I would specialize in family law. So, hindi ako lawyer, hindi ako abogado, kaya ang ginamit natin ay I were at I would. Okay? If I were a lawyer, I would specialize in family law. Ayan, kumbaga kung sakali lang na abogado ako pero hindi naman, 'di ba? Another example, if I were you, I would buy that car. So imagination lang na ako ay maging ikaw kasi kahit kailan hindi mangyayari 'yon. If I were you, I would buy that car. Hindi ako ikaw kaya ang ginamit natin ay I would. Imaginary situation. Alright, next one, we have the word could. Could is used to talk about possible situations in the present or in the future. Sa Tagalog, pwede rin natin itong tawaging pwede. Ayan, for example, nag-uusap si Charlene at saka si Mario. Sabi ni Mario, Charlene, do you have any gift ideas for my mom's birthday? Charlene, meron ka bang kahit anong pangregalo na idea para sa birthday ng mama ko? And then, ang sagot ni Charlene, you could give her a new pair of running shoes. So, sa Tagalog, pwede mo siyang bigyan ng bagong pares ng sapatos na pantakbo, di ba? Pwede mo siyang, you could, ang ginamit natin na salita. Ayan, di ba ang could ay parang katumbas ng salitang pwede. We can also use this for polite questions or requests. Kung meron tayong hiling sa isang tao, for example, pwede mo ba akong ikuha ng isang basong tubig? In English, could you get me a glass of water? Diba? So, tanong yan, pero at the same time, request na din. Kaya grateful, kung gusto mong mag-request ng topic, pwede mong i-type dyan na, Ma'am Charlene, could you make a video about gerunds? For example, gerunds yung hinahanap ninyo. So, pwedeng ninyong gamitin yung salitang could para mag-request sa isang tao. Alright, we could also use the word could to suggest a possibility, yung posibilidad ng isang bagay. For example, you may go ahead, this could take several minutes. Yung parang sinasabi na, mauna ka na, baka matagalan pa kami dito. Could take several minutes, ibig sabihin, hindi naman sigurado na matatagalan talaga, pero malaki yung tsansa. Okay? Tingnan natin tong conversation ni Charlene at saka nung mama niya. Sabi nung nanay, Nak, you have a new parcel. O kaya, Nak, may bagong package for you. And then, sabi ni Charlene, oh, that could be my new mouse for my computer. Diba? Parang, ay, baka yan na yung mouse ko para sa computer ko. Baka o pwedeng yan na yung mouse ko. Kasi could ang ginamit. Pero, hindi naman 100% sure si Charlene na yun nga yung mouse niya. Pero, malaki ang chance. Okay, we could also use the word could to show an ability that we can't do anymore. Para maipakita yung bagay na kaya natin dati pero hindi na natin kayang gawin ngayon. Tingnan natin to example na to. When I was younger, I could sleep for just 3 hours and perform really well the next day. Diba sa Tagalog, nung mas bata-bata ako, kaya kong matulog kahit 3 oras lang at maging energetic pa rin kinabukasan. So kahit na wala na tayong dinugtong na, but I can't do it anymore, understood na yon na dati mo lang siya nagagawa, hindi na ngayon dahil gumamit tayo ng salitang could. Another example, my mom could cook all the dishes for our birthdays alone when we were kids. Tuldok. Sa Tagalog, kayang lutuin ng nanay ko lahat ng putahe para sa birthday namin noong bata pa kami. So, kahit na wala ng kadugtong yan, understood na hindi na ito nagagawa ng nanay ko ngayon. Bakit? Kasi siguro marami ng friends, marami ng bisita, marami ng kailangan lutuin, hindi na kayang mag-isa. Okay? So, kapag merong could at when we were younger or before or ago, ibig sabihin yan, hindi na kayang gawin ngayon. Kasi, di ba, we use could to show an ability that we can do anymore. Alright? Alright, we're down to the third one. We have the word should. Okay? Should, it is used in giving advice. Okay? For example, you should start eating nutritious meals. Dapat magsimula ka ng kumain ng masusustansyang pagkain. Next one, Emma should take care of her inheritance. Dapat pangalagaan ni Emma ang kanyang mana. 'Di ba? So makikita natin na itong salitang should sa Tagalog ay dapat. Alright, should can also be used to express something that is expected or probable. So, ginagamit natin ito para ipakita or sabihin yung mga bagay na inaasahan naman na talaga. Okay, for example, Cameron worked for 14 hours in the bakery today. He should be resting by now. Diba? Nagtrabaho ng 14 na oras si Cameron sa panaderya ngayon, malamang nagpapahinga na siya. So, should ay nagpapakita ito ng kung ano yung inaasahan natin. So, hindi man tayo sigurado, pero malamang at dapat nagpapahinga na si Cameron. Yun na rin yung inaasahan natin. Okay? And this can also, itong salita na ito, pwede din namang makapagtanong. It can be used in asking question. And diba, kapag should equals dapat, so kapag naging tanong is dapat ba o dapat ba? Okay? For example, itong si Mario, gusto niyang hintayin si Charlene, uwian na sa school. Sabi ni Mario, Charlene, should I wait for you at the gate? Sa Tagalog, Charlene, dapat bang hintayin kita sa gate? So, pwedeng ang isagot ni Charlene is, oh no, you may go ahead, this could take several minutes. Diba? Ay, wag na, matatagalan pa ako, mauna ka na. Something like that. Diba? Nakapagtanong si Mario gamit ang salitang should. And hindi lang si Mario, pati pala si Adele. Diba? May kanta si Adele. Should I give up? Or should I just keep chasing payments? Even if it leads nowhere. Diba? Should I give up? Susuko na ba ako? Should I keep on chasing pavements? Dapat bang ituloy ko pa itong chasing pavement na to? Now, vocabulary tip, chasing pavement, it means that you're trying to do something that is expected to be a failure. So, kapag ikaw ay chasing pavement, ibig sabihin, ipinipilit mo or ginagawa mo yung isang bagay na talaga namang malabo, talagang hindi ka magtatagumpay. Ayan. At masasaktan ka lang. Yan tayo mga Pinoy, mahilig tayong gumawa ng mga bagay na alam naman natin at the end, masasaktan lang pala tayo. So, that's what we call chasing pavement. Idagdag mo yun sa vocabulary mo, grateful. Ay, sorry ako talaga kumanta. Mahirap kasing lagyan ng song. Baka mamaya makopyright tayo. Ayan. So, chasing pavement, push pa kahit talagang hindi magtatagumpay. Alright. So, tingnan na natin yung nasa intro natin kanina. I have here this. So, I would cook, I should cook, or I could cook. I-match nyo nga itong mga to dito sa letter A, B, C, at D. Letter A, marunong akong magluto dati. Letter B, dapat magluto na ako. Or letter C, magluluto sana ako. I-match nyo nga po kung ano sa Tagalog itong mga pangungusap natin. Pwede mong i-post tong video. Alright, number 1, I would cook. The correct answer is letter C, magluluto sana ako. Hindi niya na maitatanong, ito kasing salitang would ay galing rin sa salitang will na parang ang ibig sabihin ay will, like willingness, okay, bukal sa loob. And itong I will cook, kapag ganyan, sa Tagalog, magluluto ako. Itong I would cook, magluluto sana ako kasi imagine situation. Ilagay natin sa mas mahabang pangungusap. If I were your wife, I would cook for you every day. Kung ako ang asawa mo, ipagluluto kita araw-araw. Pero, syempre, imagination lang naman yun, hindi naman yung totoong bagay, kaya would. 'Di ba? Alright, next one, we have the I should cook. Diba? Dapat magluto na ako. For example, oh, it's already 6 p.m. I should cook now. Diba? Sa Tagalog, oh, alas 6 na pala, magluluto na ako. So, dapat magluto na ako. Next one naman, I could cook. Sa Tagalog ay, marunong akong magluto dati. Ma'am Charlene, bakit po may dati? Kasi nga, diba, itong could ay nagpapakita ng mga bagay na hindi na natin kayang gawin ngayon, pero kaya natin gawin dati. Kapag marunong akong magluto, ang English nan, I can cook. Marunong akong magluto. Pero pag I could cook, marunong akong magluto dati. Okay, ilagay natin sa pangungusap pa. For example, when I was living in Ilocos, I could cook dinengdeng and bagnet. Nung nakatira ako sa Ilocos, marunong ako magluto ng dinengdeng at pakbet. Siguro ngayon hindi na ako marunong kasi hindi na ako natuturuan ng mga ibang Ilocano, kaya nakalimutan ko na kung paano. Pero itong I could cook, marunong ako magluto dati. Alright? So, sa pangungusap na yan, nalaman natin na hindi na ako able magluto ngayon. Ikaw, ano ba yung kaya mong gawin dati na hindi mo nang kayang gawin ngayon? Sulat mo nga sa pangungusap sa baba. Okay, pause mo tong video na to. Alright, grateful. I hope na meron kang natutuhan na naman tungkol sa could, would, and should. Hindi ito kumpletong information tungkol sa modals na ito. Kung gusto mo pang matutuhan yung iba pa, ililink ko dito or dito kung saan niya lalabas lahat ng gawa kong videos tungkol sa can, could, would, will, should, at shall. Alright? At kung may natutuhan ko, huwag mo namang kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-hit mo na din yung notification bell so you would be updated when I upload a new video. And ano pang hinihintay natin? Mag-quiz na tayo. You will have 7 seconds to answer each at 5 lang naman ito. Gamitin mo yung comment section to write your answers. And before we start, let me just thank Sir Mark from St. Demetrius for sending me this wonderful bouquet with 27 super fresh red roses with a lot of chocolate. Super fresh nito nung dumating pero ngayon lang kasi ako nakapag-video, grateful. So I apologize. Hindi niya nakita kung gaano kaganda ito. Anyway, thank you so much, Sir Mark, for appreciating me. Alright, number 1. Which of the following modals should we use when we talk about imaginary situation? Would, could, or should? Alright, the correct answer is letter A, would. Okay? Number 2, when I was a kid, I blank bend like this. Which modal shall we use? Would, B, could, C, should. Again, when I was a kid, I blank bend like this. Which modal shall we use? Letter A, would, letter B, could, letter C, should. Okay, the correct answer is letter B, could. Diba, ginagamit nga natin ito sa mga bagay na nagagawa natin dati pero hindi na natin nagagawa ngayon. Number 3, alin sa dalawa ang ibig sabihin ay, pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng payo? Letter A, could you give me some advice? Letter B, can you give me some advice? Ulitin ko alin sa dalawang ito ang ibig sabihin ay, pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng payo? Letter A, could you give me some advice? Or letter B, can you give me some advice? Okay, the correct answer is letter A, could you give me some advice? Okay, pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng payo? Dito kasi sa letter B, can you give me some advice? Ibig sabihin nito, kaya mo ba akong bigyan ng payo? Okay, number 4. Paano naman sa English sasabihin ang paano mo gagawin iyan? Paano mo gagawin iyan? Letter A, how could you do that? Or letter B, how would you do that? Letter A, how could you do that? Or letter B, how would you do that? Okay, the correct answer is letter B, how would you do that? Paano mo gagawin yan? Pero itong letter A, how could you do that? Parang, paano mo nagawa yan? Paano mo magagawa yan? Di ba? May halong pagsusumbat, di ba? Parang, how could you do that to me? Kaya ang tamang sagot natin, paano mo gagawin yan? How would you do that? Number 5, halimbawa nasa counter kayo ng kaibigan mo and then ikaw yung nag-o-order. Tatanungin mo siya kung gusto niya ba ng french fries. Okay, paano ang sasabihin mo? Letter A, would you like some french fries? Or letter B, do you like some french fries? Again, letter A, would you like some french fries? Or letter B, do you like some french fries? Okay, the correct answer is letter A, would you like some french fries? Gusto mo ba ng french fries? Parang ngayon, gusto mo ba ngayon? Trip mo ba ngayon? Kasi itong letter B, do you like some french fries? Ibig sabihin nito, parang mahilig ka ba sa french fries? Sa kabuuan? Something like that. Ayan, Gratefuls! I hope na may natutuhan kang bago dito sa video na to. And before I say goodbye, let me shout out some of the avid fans and subscribers of Sherlyn's TV. Una na dyan si Ate Charmy's TV. Haha, grabe, ang dami ko bigla tuloy nalaman how to use. Hi, Ate Charmy! Nandyan din si Kuya Alexander Ramirez. Ma'am, pag-tutorial po. At nandyan din si Princess Decaman. Pa-shoutout po, ma'am, from Antipolo. Hi, Princess! And si Dan Tamayo. Hi, ma'am. Pa-shoutout po. Hello po, Kuya Dan. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga palagi nanonood sa Sherlyn's TV. And ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Mag-click na kayo dyan ng video na gusto nyong panoorin. Ayan, Gratefuls. I hope na marami ka natutuhan sa video natin today. And kung sakali na may time ka pa, pwede kang mamili dito sa dalawang video. And see you!